group of friends decided to explore the Paris catacombs. People warned them to never go alone, that you can get lost easily. But they were curious and wanted to see what's really hidden in the depths. Little did they know, this was their biggest mistake. The guy who organized the trip said the mission is to go into the deepest parts of the catacombs. They were recording everything as they went deeper and deeper. After almost an hour, they started hearing strange sounds from one of the side rooms. Then they saw him, a blind man, eyes completely white, standing in the darkness. He suddenly started sprinting towards them at full speed. They froze and stood completely still. He ran right past them, unable to see where they were. They thought they were safe, but when they tried to find their way back, all the markers they'd left were gone. Someone had removed them while they were hiding. Every tunnel looked exactly the same. They were lost. As they desperately searched for an exit, one of them heard something behind him. That's where the video ends.
Ah putain, c'est le couloir, c'est le...